In this video, I'm going to show you how to give access to Squarespace. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your dashboard over here on the left, and you want to scroll down and click on the settings cogwheel to enter settings. And then you want to go to permissions and ownership here on the left. And from here, you want to click on permissions and ownership. Now, this will allow you, as you can see, to invite others and give them access to areas relevant to their work. So you can just click on invite contributor over here. And then the first time you do this, it's going to ask you to log in with Google, or of course your login method, to actually verify it is you. So I'm going to do that right now to actually confirm everything, and then we're going to add a person in here just to show you how to actually give access. Okay, it's actually super simple. So there we go. As you can see, you have to put in their name and their email address, so just type that in, and then here you can then give them permissions. Okay, you can give them a global permissions like billing and administrator, but then you have like some website permissions as well over here, so you could just go ahead and either toggle those or not. So I'm gonna, for example, toggle all of these like that. If you of course click administrator, they're gonna get all the permissions and privileges, but you could just go ahead and tag separate ones over here, and then they'll have those permissions only. Okay, now whenever you do this and you've typed in their name and email, just click on the invite button bottom right, and they will get access or be invited to your Squarespace. And then of course when they accept it, they will get the access to whatever you were working on. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.